friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorful EVOL X16 Pro gaming laptop. So friend, Colorful has proudly announced the launch of EVOL X16 Pro gaming laptop, and friend, this mainstream model is equipped with 13th generation Intel Core i7-13700H processor and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop graphics. And friend, the gaming laptop sports a 16-inch QHD 240 Hz IPS display with support for NVIDIA G-SYNC technology for smooth and stutter-free gaming visuals. And friend, it also comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR5-4800 MHz memory, expandable up to 64 GB. And friend, the mainstream model comes with 512 GB of fast NVMe SSD storage with an M.2 slot for storage expansion. And the laptop also features a USB Type-C Thunderbolt port for high-speed data transmission and multi-device connectivity. And friend, it comes with a 2.5 GbE LAN port for gamers that prefer reliable and fast wire connection. And friend, for wireless networking, this gaming laptops also comes equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth solution. And friend, this gaming laptop also comes equipped with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 that supports ray tracing and DLSS 3. And for smooth gaming, the EVOL X16 Pro is equipped with a 16-inch QHD 240 Hz IPS display with G-SYNC support. And friend, this gaming laptop comes with RGB backlit keyboard and Sound Blaster Cinema 6 Plus audio, and RGB lighting is fully customizable using the iGame Center app. And friend, this laptop uses a slim aluminum alloy chassis that is only 19.9 mm thick. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.